Hello everyone, it is Donna Bell from Shabby Chic Pretty and Sweet, and let me zoom this camera in so you can see. Okay, I made a snippet roll for Melanie Ramos because her partner was unable to do hers for she had one of those life moments in life when things come up that you do not expect. So I made one for Melanie instead. So let's get started. I put a lot of stuff in this. Let me see if I can zoom in some more. Okay, there we go. And I'm just going to let you see it all. Made some flowers, some bows, silk flowers, foam flowers, tulle flowers, paper flowers, rolled flowers. We have bling, these little diamonds. We have appliques. We have doilies, we have bows, we have buttons, we have jewelry, we have appliques, a little scrapbooking pen, she can remove that to wear it, another flower, crocheted flower, satin flower, foam flower, seam binding bow with a foam flower, let's see, more flowers, another bow, another foam flower with some little sprigs, another little crochet flower with a button from Sarah Munson, another little lace flower with a paper flower in the center, a button, another, let's see, get on down here where you can see, I forgot to move forward. So we have, I don't know if you saw this one, let me get it adjusted, ladies. You know me. So let's start back here. We have this beautiful lace and tulle flower with the pearl center. We have this little satin bow, a foam flower with little sprigs, another lace flower with the paper flower in the center, a little crocheted flower, and a little button from Sarah Munson, a button here, another lace flower that I've made, and some appliques, and there's more appliques down under here, more lace. I mean, there's just so much. Let's see, we have more bling here, another flower that I've made, another seam binding bow, a little satin flower, an applique, a doily, foam flower, more of those little pieces, little diamond shapes that I got off that sweater that I showed you, another applique, another bridal applique, some silk flowers, a little tiny doily with a little flat back bling right there, another tulle flower with a little flower in the center, a little lace flower, and it's all on a bed of lace, and I took a strand of pearls and put it down like that because it is made to hang this way rather than long ways. It is made to hang this way. And again, the little scrapbooking pen can be taken off. It can be removed. And she can wear that. So that is the snippet roll that I made for Melanie. So thank you, Melanie. I hope you enjoy it. And if you are not a member of our group, Shabby Chic Pretty and Sweet, and you would like to participate in some really fun swaps, come on over and join. Come join in the fun. And you, if you're new to crafting, you're welcome to come on over and join us and join in our swaps as well. So I thank you. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up so I know that you like it, and I will make more videos like it. So give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And God bless and bye-bye.